All right, let's try out some of these little wire connectors here. Just a little bit of tape. There we go. Now we can try out these little wire connectors. So these are for smaller wires. All right, so we're looking at these little splicers, and they will pierce the jacket if you need them to. Or you can pre-strip whatever you want, but get your wire in there, clamp it down. Now we have pierced the wire and captured the wire. Do the same on the other end. And then we slide these guys together. Now we have a quick connection made here. See how that works? Really great for like low voltage situations where we got to make a bunch of little splices. This is just the ticket here. That's great. Let's try it with some wire. So how they work is like this. We're going to open up the side there. We're going to shove the wires into the holes. And you don't necessarily need to strip the wires. You can if you want. Just make sure they're sitting down into their own channel. Press these down with your finger. Grab a little set of pliers. Give them a squeeze. It'll snap together and cut through the jacket on these wires. So now we're set. They ain't going nowhere. And we can start daisy chaining stuff together by hooking these together like that. So that's how we would wire together some strings of LEDs. So really nice, really easy. Wires are in there securely. And then if we ever need to, we can separate these and reconfigure. They slide together nice and make a nice constant connection. So yeah, neat little setup there, and a whole bunch in that pack.